Race number 9. 1,000. Oh, where they go? Boss Pogi Scarab from the outside by Daryl Diamond Forever. Delgado alongside Diamond Magic. Hepburn, Friendly Fire, and Sugar Daddy is the early trailer. It's Delgado Scarab brushing up his Diamond Magic on the outside. Delgado by ahead, Diamond Magic, Scarab in between runners, and Diamond Forever is running by Daryl alongside Boss Boggy, Hepburn, Friendly Fire, and Sugar Daddy. As they race the final corner, Delgado with FM Raquel Jr., followed by Diamond Magic, moving up by Daryl is Diamond Forever, and nearing the finish line, Delgado, followed by Diamond Forever by Daryl. Friendly Fire is on the outside, Sugar Daddy, Delgado, Diamond Forever, Friendly Fire, Sugar Daddy, and finally, Delgado, Diamond Forever, Friendly Fire, Sugar Daddy, and Scarab for your
31645 ang ating